Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to build and deploy a Next.js project with Bolt. All right, so let's begin with the video. Right here, I created a brand new Bolt project by going to bolt.new, and I'm going to select the Next.js starter blank app at the bottom. This will quickly create a Next.js app that is ready to go. All it does is install the dependencies and then starts the application within the browser. Now we can have a preview of our Next.js app right here, which is telling us to go ahead and start prompting. We can add whatever changes we want by entering them into the prompt right here. But I'm just going to go ahead and deploy this app just so we can get it live and ready to go. What I'm going to do is go to the top right and click on where it says deploy. It's going to tell us that it is deploying this application. Then it will build the application and deploy it to Netlify. Now we can see that we have a live site URL, which we can go ahead and click on. It will take us to our Next.js project that we just built. We can also go ahead and claim this URL as well, so we can add this Next.js project to our Netlify account by clicking on Claim Apps. You will need a Netlify account to do this, so just go ahead and create one if you don't already have one. Now, we can see that our project is opened. We can set up a custom domain and adjust the site configuration to our liking. So that's basically how you can build and deploy a Next.js project with Bolt. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.